Stop snoring and sleep more peacefully at night. Snoring is an annoying problem that affects many people, but it can also be an indicator of your overall health. In order to combat your snoring, you must do something about it. Try looking at the tips that are listed below to see what you can do to cease the snoring and quiet your slumber. Steer clear of alcoholic beverages to help calm snoring. Alcohol can relax your jaw and throat muscles too much, allowing them to slip back. This can make for noisy snoring. Alcohol has also been shown to add to a sometimes deadly disease known as sleep apnea, so steer clear to stay healthy. While it may take a little time, losing any excess weight can be extremely beneficial to snorers. Being overweight puts extra pressure on many places in your body, including the throat, which can lead to snoring. Since your neck is one of the first places you lose weight from, even just a few pounds can help calm snoring down. Singing can help cure snoring. Singing relies on your throat muscles and makes them stronger. Weakness in these same muscles causes snoring problems. You can reduce your snoring by having stronger throat muscles. There are also some musical instruments that you can play, such as a saxophone or trumpet, that will work to strengthen the throat muscles. One way to help keep from snoring is to avoid tranquilizers at bedtime. While tranquilizers might help you sleep faster, they will also relax the muscles that hold your nasal passages fully open. They will contract partially, and air will have a harder time getting through, and you will snore. As you have read, snoring is a pretty annoying problem that many people deal with, and besides being noisy, it could be an indicator of your health. You should use those tips above to find the causes of your snoring and to quiet the noises that affect you when you sleep. Would you like to learn this easy, throat exercise, that eliminates your snoring tonight? Visit secretsnoringhack.com. Want to stop snoring tonight? This simple, 3-minute exercise, permanently eliminates snoring, as soon as tonight. Visit secretsnoringhack.com to learn all of this, and more. Link in the description.